Thank you. Our next speaker is Madame Pashayeva from Azerbaijan.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen. I would like, first of all, to congratulate Madame Curie on her very important and significant report. In her report, she also emphasized the problem of my country, the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. As it is emphasized in Resolution number 1416 of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe and in for resolution of the United Nations Security Council, Armenia has occupied 20% of the Azerbaijani territory, and about 1 million Azerbaijanis have become refugees and internally displaced persons. As Madame Curie emphasized in the draft resolution, really, the main victims of the conflicts are women. They suffer violence and face various difficulties. I would like to speak about hundreds of thousands of Azerbaijani women who have become refugees and internally displaced persons and cannot return to their native lands, homes for more than 15 years. Today, there is no any other similar situation throughout the European space. Hundreds of thousands of women address you and wait for protection of their rights violated by Armenia. Hundreds of Azerbaijani women and girls who have been holding as hostages and are in captivity more than 15 years and who face violence every day want you to protect their violated rights. The resolution number 1416 adopted by us here stated that Armenia should leave the Azerbaijani lands occupied by it, and the Azerbaijani refugees and internally displaced persons should be given opportunity to return to their homes and native lands. Unfortunately, despite passing many years, Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe does not take any action against Armenia which fails to implement the resolutions. I am a member of the parliament and represent the region adjoining with Armenia. Even today, the Armenian snipers shoot the Azerbaijani village from their position placed in the Azerbaijani lands occupied by it, and they won't kill the women working in own yards and fields. Some days ago, a schoolmistress going to work was seriously wounded by the snipers of the Armenian armed forces. I invited the ambassadors of a number of countries to the villages where those events took place, and they were horrified. The graveyards belonged to the Azerbaijanis in the occupied territories are being destroyed. What do you think? Is there any other awful sight like this for a woman, a mother? As it has already stated, women became the main victims of the conflict and they face great difficulties. For these reasons, it is important and significant to increase the woman's role in the process of regulation of the conflicts. At the same time, the women parliamentarians of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe also should increase our activity in this process and set forth our proposals in the direction of regulation of these conflicts. Whereas being the women parliamentarians participating in the Council of Europe should be near the women whose human rights have been violating for many years, regardless of their habitation in any part of Europe, of their national identity. We should increase our effort in the direction of protection of their rights by not allowing the double standards. Thank you for your attention.